Hi, Jonathan Pickup. Today I ran a workshop on creating this decking area, and one of the things that came up was the handrail. So what I do to create my handrail is you can see I've got a polygon here. It's actually offset by 50 millimeters or 2 inches from the edge where I want it. Now this gives me a great center line to draw down. But not only that, because I've got the setback 50 millimeters from the edge of here, and this is 50 millimeters from the nose, I should get a consistent handrail as it goes down the stairs. So let's get our railing tool. I've already set up the railing tool, so it's all ready to go. So I can click there, double click here to finish, and there's my handrail. I've got another one here, so I'm going to draw this one as well. So again, I've offset this by 50 millimeters or 2 inches, and I'm just making sure that I snap to that guideline. There it is there, and it's got that end point there as well. So there it is. Let's have a look at this in 3D. And you can see it's a pretty good handrail. There's just this unusual thing with the stair here. I just need to bring that handrail down or to bring the post down. And if I use my reshape tool, because I've got this selected, I can go to this icon here, which is the post, reshape the bottom of the post mode. So I can click there. Now, if I come down and touch the front of my nose, it'll bring that post perfectly down to touch my tread. So let's try that again. So there it is there. Bring that down, touch the face of my nose. That's something I can snap to, and that puts a great little handrail just to that point. So you can see I ended up with really nice handrails. That one's set back a little bit. This set back the same distance from the edge as this one is from the nose. So I get a really good effect on these handrails. Hope you enjoyed that. My name's Jonathan Pickup. I love doing these. We have a lot of fun. Become a member and join me with these workshops. See you later.